Hello, Robert 100 car repairs. This time we have the Insignia and the typical problem with the old cars. So the heat shield always come off because corrosion around this. This is many movies about this, how to fix. What I've done, I just cut the piece of the metal sheet. And attach here to cover that hole. But the things what I've done, I put the plug for screw, the plastic plug, because I don't have a proper one, small tiny washers, so I put like this, so it's hold for now. For make sure it's alright, I'm gonna put special electrical band, and I put heat on it, so that make a space, make tight around the plastic plug, and I'm gonna hold well. So for now, looks like it's okay, but of course it's not really as supposed to be. So as I says, I'm gonna add the thermo isolation, like a cover for electric things, and we see how it looks like. I find solution, kind of not really smart, but it's working. My solution look like this. So this hole could be covered by this piece of the metal. There is a special screw, bolt, at the end of it's like a drill bit, and I attach this here and just push, and that go through the metal, and push this piece of metal against the heat shield. It looks like that. So it's working. I just worry about the hole, but actually inside the hole is a screw already, and I covered everything by the rust protector in a spray, which look like that. So supposed to be okay. There's one more mistake, it's not finished. I just pinch my spare wheel, so air gone, because the bolt come here. I cut already, but I make a hole with my spare wheel. So there is one more bolt and another bolt. I have to cut out them. So finally my job look like that. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. An additional I spray around the rust, especially on the brakes pipe, so they don't complain if it's little rust, because it's a big job which don't make sense. So next day I'm gonna continue make other things with spray and secure the heat shield. Thank you for watching. Robert 100 Repair Cars.